Hello, it has been a while, I know that, and hopefully y'all are having a good day, and also, the reason why it's been a while is because, I've been wanting to learn Unity a little bit more, because I did start coding, but like, year, 8 months ago, I'm not sure, but it's been about a year, and I've been trying to learn Unity a little bit more, so that's why it's been a while, and I've been doing some other projects too. And we are going to be continuing on this. It's been forever. Last time we made a shooting and reloading system for a health script that we made. So I'm going to try and make an aiming system for this, which should be very simple. And note that this will not be a smooth transition to a, one second, I'm gonna just attach this. So basically, it's not going to be a smooth transition like that to the center of the screen. It's just going to be a snap. So, okay, let's get to it. The first thing that we're going to do is create a new script. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to name mine aim. We're going to open it. And now, the first thing that we're going to want to do is we are going to make two public transforms. We're going to name this one hip. We can duplicate this, Control E. And we're going to want to name this one aim. Oh yeah, aim point, and then we'll do hip point. And now, in this, the first thing that we can do is, do public. I'm sorry, I did not mean to do that. There's something else we have to do with public later on, but, oh well. What we have to do now is we have to do if input dot get mouse button down, switch this to 1. 0 is left click, 1 is right click. You can do your brackets, and then now we can do whatever we need in here, which is transform dot position equals aim point dot position. We don't need to do transform since it's already transformed. We do not want to get mouse button, we want to get mouse button down. I just never realized that, I'm sorry. And now after we do this, anything else that I encounter while I test this, I will tell you. Okay, now you want to get mouse button up, and then you want to get hip point. And I think that's really it, the most simplest aiming script ever. Now this might not be it, because I remember I made this at one point, and there wasn't much, but I know that I had to do some extra stuff, but that might have been for that project. But either way, on our Beretta, we'll put this on the cylinder, or our arm, you could say. We'll put the aim script on here, and we are going to create an empty parent, and we're going to name this hip. Okay, we can leave that as its position right now. Okay, actually we do not want to create a parent. That will mess it up. You want to create an empty, and then drag it out of the cylinder, and then name it hip, and then drag in your cylinder in, so it's the same position, so it's not in the center. And then now, you're going to want to create the, you're going to want to move your arm to the point of where you want it, and if you press this arrow right here, and no, I'm sorry, not that one. This one, you can change something right here, like how much you want to move and all that. If you hold control, and you can move by like grid based, by a grid base, and this will help you out a lot in the meantime. See how it clips? We can fix that. On main camera, you want to, I'm using URP, you can, Universal Render Pipeline, that's what URP stands for. You might not be using URP, but I am. This might be different for you, but you want to find where it says clip in planes. You want to do 0.001 or 0.01. And now that don't clip anymore. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay, right there. And now you're going to create an empty, drag it out, and then you're going to name it aim without the slash and the capital I and the U I cannot spell right now. And now what you want to do is on the cylinder where you put the aim, you want to put your hit point right there and your aim right there. And then of course you want to reset the position so it's back on the aim or the hip. Okay, and let's test this out. This should really be it. Yeah, that might be an issue. Since we parented it, the animations might be a little messed up. But we can fix this just by moving this. I wasn't recording. I'm sorry, I did not know this would happen. I'm just going to do this very quickly. Okay, what is going on? Yeah, this is crazy. I did not know this would happen right now. Okay, there we go. The reload won't really matter right now, but you can edit your animations later on. But now, it should be ready. Let's see if it works. You see how that works? Okay, the position might be a little messed up, but you see it works. Yeah, that's a little messed up. You see? The aiming works. Yeah, well, guess that does it for this. I hope y'all had a good day, and hopefully y'all use this a lot. And there are alternative ways to do this. You could watch other videos on how to do this, but this is just my way of doing it. So if you want to do it a different way, you could search up how to do it a different way. It really doesn't matter, but this is how I like to do it. But if you want to do it this way, you can. So, hope you all had a good day, and see y'all.